Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Charger hood. First, gather all your necessary tools like a socket set, a torque wrench, and a trim removal tool. Ensure your workspace is level and safe, and always disconnect the vehicle's battery before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old hood. Begin by carefully disconnecting the washer fluid hose and any electrical connections, like those for hood lights. It's crucial to have a helper support the hood as you unbolt the hinges from the vehicle. Once unbolted, gently lift the old hood off and place it somewhere safe, away from your work area. With the old hood removed, it's time to install your new one. With your helper, carefully position the new hood onto the hinge mounts. Securely bolt the new hood to the hinges, but be careful not to over-tighten the bolts. Finally, reconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical components you detached earlier, ensuring everything is properly seated. The final step is crucial for a perfect fit. Adjust the new hood for proper alignment with your vehicle's fenders and grille, ensuring even gaps. Check that the hood latches securely and opens smoothly without any binding. Lastly, test the washer fluid system and all electrical connections to confirm everything is fully functional before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.